video, you're going to see me deck this jumper out. I have an event to go to, and the dress code is camo, so anything camo. So what I did is I purchased this plain camo jumper. The description where I bought this jumper from will be in the description box below. It is from Asoph, and this is a size US 1X. It fits perfectly. It's very good material, very sturdy, that thick camo material, and I like it. So what I did is I purchased some iron-ons from Amazon, and some of these also came from Etsy.com. So what I'm going to do is actually put all this stuff on, and I actually got some wings too. I'm thinking maybe I'll put these in a bag, but I'm not sure yet. And what I'm going to use to put this on is I'm going to use this, get in focus, this E6000 fabric fuse. I'm going to use this instead of ironing them on. So I'm not going to talk through it. You guys will see me work, so let's get right into it.